We'll guide you through how to record your screen and face with Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Come to Canva. What you want to do is go to the top left and you can go and press create. Go down the left and press custom size. And for the width, type in 1920. For the height, you can type in 1080. The units, type in px, and then you can go and select create new design. Now you want to come over to the left and press uploads, and you can go and press record yourself, and you can press record a talking head. And then in the top right, you want to go and select camera and screen, like so. You can then go and press entire screen, choose your screen if you've got multiple, and press share. There it is. Now what you can do is you can go and choose the webcam and your microphone. Mine's already correctly selected here. You can go and move the camera by clicking and holding it, but you're going to be able to go and change this later. Then when you're ready, you can go and press record. So you're going to see a countdown here and you're now going to be recording. So what we can then do is go minimize this and go and record what you want to. You can go and hide this at the bottom as well. When you're finished, you can come and return here like this, and you can go and press done at the bottom, and there's a recording. You want to press save and exit in the top right, and here is the recording. What you want to do is select the camera, press the three dots, and you want to press layer and press bring to front. And then what you can do is go and press the screen recording, and we can go and make sure it fully fills the screen by adjusting the corner points. You can hold on your face to move it where you want to. And then when you're ready, you can press share in the top right. Of course, you can do further edits as well. And we can go and press download and select MP4 video and then press download. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.